Hello everyone, my name is Jutin Al Ahmed and today we're going to be unboxing. There's a few things in this, right, but we're going to be unboxing one specific thing, which is Crypto Tag ODIN. I just want to show you what that is for people that don't know what SLIP39 is. I don't think many people actually use SLIP39. A lot of people are even confused what BIP39 is. I've got videos on these. I've got a video regarding me setting up a Trezor with SLIP39, so do have a look at that. In addition, I've got BIP39 explanations and stuff. But anyways, let's get on with the unboxing. I bought this. Whoa! I bought that directly from Cryptotag, um, and yeah, it didn't come like that. I accidentally tore it, though. But yeah, I didn't really open it until I realized that this is actually the Cryptotag. I'll keep the knife. I'll put the knife down before I stab myself and really kill myself. But let's see what they've given. A lot of paper. Putting that away. It's like, ooh, okay, it's very nice. Oh yes, so basically, I bought another 3 Crypto Tag Zeuses. Anyways, we'll come to that. I've got an unboxing of that already, so there's no need to no need for me to do that here. You can watch that in my other video. But anyway, the box is empty. They've probably got a slip there for my just confirming my business address and stuff there. Anyways, this is called the Crypto Tag ODIN. They're following the Greek mythology, Thor, Odin, Loki, soon Thanos, lol, no. But yeah, so their products, I love it. Okay, I've already got these, by the way. I just ordered another set because I've got quite a few different seed phrases and hardware wallets and stuff like this. You probably already know by looking at my channel. Got a lot of products that I use and then I test. Like majority of for testing. Like yeah, I don't. Then there's other stuff where you would like keep your personal stuff on like multi-sig and you'd obviously have a higher security possible, right? Just before I go over this, this is the Crypto Tag Zeus. Do have a look at that video, just so you understand. And that's basically what's in this. Okay, this is the packaging, and I've got 3 of them now, and I've got another 2 there, and I've got. I don't know why I have so many. I do know why, but you don't know why. I've got many. Okay. Anyways, let's look at the box of this. Look at the logo here. I love this logo seriously with a passion. I love this company. Uh, Odin 7. Okay. So what does that mean? It's not that this product's called Odin 7. It's that there's 7 Odins in this, okay? And the Odin is one of these. This is an Odin. This is for the hodlers. Beautiful. I love this. Okay. So when would you use something like this here? Let's open this up and then I'll explain quite a few bits to you to hopefully help you understand. I just did a little slight cut there. And now it's time for some ASMR. That was nice. Okay, so it's a sleeve that it looks like. I'm going to open this up here. Okay, it slides down. Look at this. Wow. Amazing. Beautiful. That's empty there, right? Let's put that here just so you can see that there. This is for the hodlers. I love that saying. Designed in Amsterdam. Beautiful. So, quick start guide. So they basically tell you how to use it, right? Just to show you here. Do you know, so you can have a look at this. By the way, if you did want to purchase this, I have affiliate links below where you can purchase it, and you can also purchase that treasures and stuff from their website as well, like a bundle package. Please do use my affiliate link. I would appreciate it. I do benefit from that. I'll get like a little tiny commission. I'm going to go over the product, so I'm not really going to show you this whole thing here. What's important is this SLIP39 word list. This is a public word list that's on GitHub. It's public, so this will never change. But what you basically do, just to give you a bit of understanding, all of these words, SLIP39 has the 1024 words, as we can see here. And what it is each one of these numbers is what you actually punch into this, because each number is assigned to a word, and that's how you basically know which is what. So I'm going to show you quickly, just so you understand. But let's quickly go over what's actually in the box. I want to keep it all neat because I'm a bit OCD like that. But yeah, for the hodlers. Interesting, that's a bit dirty there. It's white. White gets so dirty. That's why I don't really like white. Okay. So what is this? This is going to be the punch, okay? As I've mentioned, I've already had these. So they give some earplugs, lol, and some matches. Why? Oh my god. But why do they give some matches, lol? This is funny. They give matches because when you actually put your seed phrase into this, you basically burn your paper seed phrase. Let's look at this beautiful product. Look at that's interesting. It's because it was cold. That's why there's a bit of like condensation. But yeah, as you can see here, that's the quality of this. Hopefully you can see better like that. Yeah, need to do some high definition so you can see my fingerprint and everything. But yeah, you would use this to punch. That's what you use this for. I don't have anything else in there. I'm not really going to use that. I've got so many of them. I think I might even have another one in my drawer, lol. But I'm going to show you one of these. There's 7 of these in here, okay? So, what, 4 on the bottom and 3 on the top, and then 1 of the punches. But this is what I want to show you. So, let me move everything else because you don't need to see all that. But I just want to make you aware that there is 7 in total here with the punch as well. So that's why there's 8 boxes. Anyway, so this is the actual product that you would get. You could get this in 3, 5, and 7. Before I actually go into this, let me explain what Shamir Backup is. Shamir Backup is SLIP39. There's 1024 words that as part of this. It generates your private key. The difference between SLIP39 and BIP39 is BIP39, it's got a single point of failure. You create a seed phrase of 12 or 24 words, and then that's it. That's what you would input. SLIP39 actually helps you share out the seed phrase, which means you can have thresholds. So, for example, this is 7. You can have a threshold of 5 sets of words out of 7. So you would create on your hardware wallet. It'd give you the option. Oh yeah, how many shares do you have? Oh, I have 7. Okay, what's the threshold limit that you want to set? 5. So I need 5 of these, right? Seed phrases to be able to enter my hardware wallet and obtain the private key and say that it's me. That's basically what SLIP39 is. So what does that mean? What you can do, you can give, I don't know, 2 to your cousin or 2 to your parents or whatever, and then if one day when you need it, you just go to them and get it and then add it all up. Compared to the BIP39, if you lose that one, if you lose this, that's it, it's game over. You don't have your seed phrase anymore. So this is the only company that has a solution for this. Okay, this is for 20 words, not 33. They don't do 33. No company does 33, which I've recommended that they do, but they don't. Anyways, so the conversion sheet, you would put in your 20 words. And I was saying here the number, right? So you put in the word that it says on your device. Just so you're also aware, only the Keystone and the Trezor do Shamir Backup. Okay, SLIP39. They're the only hardware wallets which are compatible. They're the only hardware wallets that allow you to. But what you would write is the total shares. So, for example, Oh yeah, sorry, I need to add again. You can do up to 16 shares, just so you're aware. So you would put 16 there, threshold, I don't know, 15 out of 16. That's the highest security ever. Good luck. And share number, you would put, I don't know, this would be share number one, then I would do second one, share number two, second one, share number three, wallet number. Many people have multiple wallets as I do, and I also recommend get multiple wallets. Okay, watch my video of why you would need multiple wallets and what the benefit of that is. Okay, you'll get a better understanding. But yeah, this is where you would put everything, and after you put it all onto there, this is the product. This is what we've all been waiting for. This is for the hodlers, lol. I love it, man. This is so beautiful. uh so it's empty there. Let's put that to the side. Look at that. I just want to show that this debossed. Beautiful. Sorry. I like stuff like this. I'm into the packaging. So Crypto Tag says it there. It says it on the other side as well. It's a rubbery material. It's got that logo there, their famous logo. And then on the other side, same. And then you push it out. It's a bit tough, as you can see here. Need to pull that pretty hard. Okay, I've pulled it out. Now look at that. So, one, let me get the pen. Let me get another pen. I knew I had another one. It was in my drawer. Why is it a bit dirty? This is actually from the engrave, yeah. But anyways, so just to point it out here. Total shares, hopefully you can see that there. Total shares, right? Hopefully the lighting is good. There we go. Total shares threshold. It's exactly what it says here, basically on top. That's the first part. So total shares threshold. Total shares threshold. Share number and wallet number. You would put it in there. You'd punch it in, and then it'll go down one, and then you'd put in. For example, let's look at the word list, right? SLIP39 word list. Word number one there is academic. So as you can see here, 0001, 0002 is acid. So what you would do is here, right, you would put 0, 0. So for this section here, you would put 0001. Yeah. So I just want to point that out there. So 0, one section here, 0, another section here, 0, another section here, and then 1. So 0001, 0002. You wouldn't put like 01 or that confuse you. That one whole section is for the word. And this is what you do 20 times, up to however many shares. So this one con of this of SLIP39 and actually storing seed phrases like this is it takes a lot of time. You're probably going to spend like an hour and a half. Your hands are going to bruise. Like I've, as you know, I've got multiples of these like, sets and stuff. It's tough. It really does hurt your hand. My hand got bruised. I had to do it over like 2-3 days because. But the thing is, this is going to last a lifetime. I highly recommend Shamir's backup. The threshold stuff is up to you, however you want to do it. But that's what this product is. It's a great product. It's a great solution, and the weight is good. It feels good, and so small as well. It's tiny. You can just store it. Just give it to somebody. Tell them to keep it for you. That's the Crypto Tag Zeus. Sorry, Odin. I'm obsessed with Zeus, lol. But I just wanted to give you some clarity of what that is, and hopefully you understand now and you got a better idea, especially if you're already on their website and stuff and you're trying to look for a unboxing or something just to understand, oh, should I get one? Should I get this? Is it good? How does it look actually in person and stuff? Hopefully this video gives you a good understanding. And if you did click on my video and you saw that and it is for that specific reason, please do use my affiliate link. But yeah, do check my video out regarding unboxing Zeus if you want to get that. So the one last thing to say, please do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I truly appreciate you. I appreciate everybody that already has, and yeah, my channel's been growing. I do talk a lot about myself and like how I feel about stuff, and if you relate or whatever, do subscribe, and you'll find content regarding Bitcoin, crypto assets and stuff like this here. But yeah, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.